Okay, Mr. Andrew here, and today we are converting between improper and mixed numbers. Improper is like the example here, 22 over 7. It is improper because the numerator is larger than the denominator. 22 is larger than 7. It's top heavy. Normally this is a bad thing, especially in pre-algebra where we want most of our numbers in a mixed numbered form, which is presented next, and it's mixed because we have a whole number presented with a fraction. So this is a mixed number. So first, to go from an improper fraction to a mixed number, we need to divide. So improper to mixed. That's division. Okay, so here I take 22 and I divide by 7. Notice the number on top goes inside, the number on bottom goes outside. I'm dividing by 7. I'm dividing by 7. So 7 goes in 22 3 times. 3 times 7 is 21. And I have a 1 remainder. This means that I went into 3 whole times. I have 1 remaining. And they were sevenths. A way of thinking about this is if sevenths is a whole, how many wholes can I pull out of 22? Well, I could pull 3 of them out because 7 times 3 is 21. I could pull 3 wholes out of there. Then what would I be left with? Well, if I took 21 away, I'd be left with 1. So I'd be left with 1/7. Division is actually the way to go about this. Sometimes it's easy to get away from what it means. But what it means is it went into 3 whole times, so that's the whole number. The remainder is the remaining part. And they're always sevenths. So if it was sevenths, there'll be sevenths here. Now, luckily, it's easier to go from mixed number to improper. And this is important because for multiplication and division, we can't really use mixed numbers in our procedures. We have to convert them to improper before we work with them in multiplication and division. So here, we have to go by this little soup method. Now, some people call this different things, but really, you just have to multiply and add, multiplication and addition. So 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17, and they are fifths. So in other words, I take this 5, multiply it to the 3, then add it to the 2, and that is my new numerator. And then the denominator stays the same. We can think about it as if a whole is 5 things, and I have 3 wholes, I must have 15 things. Plus the 2 additional from the fraction part would be 17 items over 5. Hopefully this helped. And this is just a quick tutorial on how to convert. We'll discuss how to use those into the actual division problems or multiplication problems in the next section.